Tanika Silk Flowers Large Spray. This video will be divided into two parts: flowers and ribbons and leaves. Start by preparing the base. Spread the glue onto the base and then stick the oasis onto the glue. Part 1. Flowers. Cut each flower to the correct length. Dip the tip of the wooden stick into the glue before adding it to the oasis. You will need to do this process of cutting and adding glue to each flower before pushing them into the oasis. Add one flower to the middle of each side of the base oasis. Make sure to trim the flowers so that they fit the oval guide drawn on the table. Next will be a row down the center. Remember to trim and tilt the flowers as they move outwards from the center to create this rounded shape. Notice how, because there are more pink flowers available, for every one white flower added, 3 or 2 pink flowers are added next to it. Now do the same in the opposite direction down the middle, creating this rounded shape. Do the same around the whole base at the bottom. Make sure the rounded shape matches the oval guide on the table by tilting and shortening the flowers towards the ends. Add another row just above the bottom row, in line with the next flower up. Each row upwards should be slightly shorter than the row underneath. Another row will be placed above that, in line with the next flower of the middle row. Tilt the flowers in this row upwards slightly to match this flower. Now for the final row. Trim and tilt these flowers upwards accordingly. You'll now need to fill in the gaps at the top with whichever flower is least prevalent in that area. You see here there are a lot of pink flowers, so you'd fill the gaps with white flowers. Part 2. Ribbons and leaves. Fill the remaining gaps with ribbons of the appropriate color. Add leaves evenly throughout the final surface of the spray. And finally, add a twirled ribbon to the top and to both sides.